In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Monday.com. If you've been using Monday.com to manage your projects, you might find yourself in need of exporting your data to conduct further analysis or to simply have a backup. This process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step, ensuring you can export your data with ease. First, let's begin by opening your Monday.com application or website. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific board from which you'd like to export data. Choosing the right board is important because this is where all your relevant data is stored, and it's pivotal to ensure you're working on the correct project board before proceeding with the export. Now that you're on the desired board, you'll want to identify the specific data entries you wish to export. To do this, click the checkboxes next to the items you want to include in your export file. If you have multiple entries, meticulously verify each selection to avoid any unnecessary data export, keeping your export file clean and only relevant to your needs. With your data selected, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll find the Export button. Clicking this will prompt the system to initiate the export process. This button serves as your gateway to extracting the required data, so be sure you have all desired entries checked off before proceeding. After you've clicked the Export button, a new window will appear giving you the option to finalize the specifics of your export. Here you can further customize which parts of the data you want to include in your exported file. Take a moment to review these options, as this selection will directly affect the content of your exported file. This is the ideal time to ensure that only the most necessary data is being exported. Once you've customized your selection to your satisfaction, the final step is simply to click on the Export button. This action confirms your selections and begins the process of downloading your data. Your data will then be prepared and saved as a file that you can freely download to your device. Always double-check the download to ensure that all the chosen data has been properly exported before concluding the process. Thank you for following along with this guide on how to export data from Monday.com. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and back up your project data, giving you more flexibility and control over your information. Keep practicing this process to become more adept, and soon it will become a quick and easy task in your workflow.